Hey guys, believe it or not, we are mildly domesticated. We like cooking sometimes when we ain't going out to a bar. This right here is a great recipe. Baked macaroni and cheese, my mom made it. Very inexpensive, great for a couple single guys looking for a good hangover cure. Makes you feel good no matter if you're sick, anything like that. Perfect. All you need is a box of rigatoni, brick of the old extra sharp cheddar. That's the kind of thing you can play with if you want like different type of cheese. You can put yellow cheese or pepper jack, something like that in there. That's about $2.50, about $1. That's about $1. I use the basil, garlic, and oregano because you end up topping it with basil, with oregano. And a little bit of oregano, and about a quarter cup of milk. But real easy to make. We're going to show you how to do it. Delicious meal, quick prep time, quick cook time. Great meal for the kids. I usually get my rigatoni cooking. It takes a little longer to cook this little thicker pasta. Usually by the time that's done boiling, you're ready to throw it in the oven by the time the noodles are done. So I'll show you how to do it.
I was like, and I know your friends is you're recording.
That's alright. That's alright. You can just do. Diced up. Looks like it's about done. The warmest. So I like to use a big bowl to mix everything in here to finish. Even though one box will fit perfectly with all the ingredients in an 8x8 pan. But I like putting it in the bowl. My mom always used to mix it right up in the thing because she'd have like one of them big 16x8 ones. Pretty much.
Not for a family.
Yeah, if you want to make one for your family, you just double up all, keep doubling. And you'll just keep making a bigger batch and it always comes out just perfect. I just eyeball it, but about a quarter to a half a cup, probably a half a cup. Kind of gives it a nice broth to get going in, so don't burn right to your pan.
Makes for a good hangover food.
Oh, geez.
He hasn't said it yet.
About a hangover cure. Right here, boys and girls. And a retarded hungover person, no matter how stupid you act, can make this. Simple. It's a lot of carbs, obviously. My mom used to make it with, put a steak on the side, cube steak, or something like that if you want to make more of a meal to it. This right here is where I ain't scared to put some oregano to it. Oregano leaves. Love topping it right to the brim with that. Gives it kind of like a crisp on the top. Nice and moist down in the bottom. Put your oven on 400 degrees. Don't matter if you preheat or not, really. 400 degrees. Give her about a half hour and you talk about a little slice of heaven. Now that we've done that, we gotta have us a few shots. You get a half hour, get a little hair off the dog that bit ya. Or as Big A says, bite the dog that bit ya. I got us some Blue Moon Winter Abbey Ale. You're into the wheat. They're seasonal brew or whatever for Blue Moon. Not too bad. That is feel good, down east feel good food right there, folks. You can't go wrong. when you're nursing a hangover or working on your next one. Simple to me, delicious. Oh, don't that look good? That cheese all melted. Ain't that gonna go down so easy? Almost a little broth in the bottom. You can't beat that right there, people. How good is that right there, Tim? How good is it? A little slice of heaven. Yeah. All that. Man.
I'm going berserk.
Brought to the front. Feel good food. Down East Main.
Sipping on brandy and milk. Blowing on
Brought to the front.
whistle.
Feel good food. Down East Main.
Wetting the line. And I'm doing just fine. Just living one day, I'm living one day at a time.